just a sweet spot. Doesn't need to be like too crazy. Pop filter, we're going to. Why do I distort before I EQ? That's very important, because here what we are aiming for is we need some harmonics. So what we're going to do now, we're doing here is we use the harmonics of this sound to make more harmonics through the distortion, and later we filter them, because if we cut this here before the distortion, we won't be able to make more harmonics because we have cut them all. The distortion works. It basically creates harmonics from the fundamental notes of the sound. If we cut those parts, we won't be able to get them later. So that's why I do it before and later I filter. Now we get the rumble I wanted, you know?